Welcome to Rayan and Sai Code. I'm Ryan, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Visual Studio Code. So, in my browser, I'm going to type in Visual Studio Code. Once I've typed in Visual Studio Code, this link pops up, code.visualstudio.com. Right under this link, there should be a link named Download. Once you click on Download, if you were on a Windows, you would have to click this. However, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to click right here. Here, you can see at the bottom of my screen, vscode-darwin.zip is downloading. Once that downloads, it's going to open up something called Archive Utility. So here is going to open up Visual Studio Code and vscode-darwin.zip. Once I click on Visual Studio Code, it's going to ask me, is an app download from the internet? Are you sure you want to open it? I'm going to click on Open. And as you can see, this opens up. I already have something opened, but let's say I didn't. And I'm opening it up for the first time. To open it up for the first time, it'll look something like this. So here, you'll have to go here, and then you have to go to File, and then you have to go to New File. And then now in your files here, you do Command S. Once you do Command S, it tells you to save it to a location. I'm going to go to Documents, and I'm going to save it as whatever I want to save it at, but make sure you end it in the file format that you want to use. Say I want to use HTML, so I'm going to do code.html. And I saved it in the Documents folder. Once I click Save, it's saying Visual Studio Code would like to access your Documents folder. I'm going to allow. Once I allow that, I'm going to open a folder. So I'm going to go to File, New Window. Once I go to New Window, it asks me right here to open folder. Once I click that, I put my file in Documents. So I'm going to open up Documents. We can X out this tab. Here, as you can see, here's code.html. Now, let's say I want to create a basic application. I'm going to right-click New File. I'm going to do code.css. And you can code in these files. Let's test it out. I'm going to put an H1 here. And I'm going to say Rayan and Sai code. Now, if I save this, I'm going to right-click, copy path, go to my browser. In the new tab, this will be our URL. Google Chrome would like to access. I'm going to allow. And then look, anything I should do here shows up in the browser. Now let me split screen. And let me change this to now, if I save and then I refresh, look, the text changes. Let me add an H2 element. And when you refresh here, it ends up here. So it updates almost instantly as long as you refresh. Thank you for watching this video of Rayan and Sai Code. Please like and subscribe.